Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. While modeling this, I will start with the base plate feature, the dimension they have given. So this plate I will create first, then I will extrude up to the length of 60. Then I will create this back plate, backside feature. Then I will create this cylinder. Then I will create this rib. Finally, I will create the material removal feature of these three holes. This hole is diameter of 24 and these two holes also having diameter of same 24. Now we'll see how to model this component using Creo Parametric. While modeling this component, the component will look like this. Now we'll learn this component step by step. Go to File, Close, go to New, Part, Solid, untick this Use Default Template, gives any name, save OK. Our dimension are in mm, here you can see. So we have to choose mm, Part Solid Absolute Template, just save OK. I'm just switching on the planes. For easy drawing and explanation, I'm just keeping this drawing file left side. First we'll start with this one. Front plane, sketch, sketch view. First take the circle, first circle and second circle. Now go to the dimension. They have given radius. First one has a radius of 36. Second one has the radius of 24. Now go to the fit screen. Now take a line. For the inner circle, we have to put the line and connect it with here. Now here you can see the total length from the left side is 60 plus here it has a radius of 30. So here it has a radius of 30 plus here it has a radius of 30. 30 plus 30 60. Totally 60 plus 60 plus 60 180. Now same thing will mirror it in this side also. Just choose the mirror. Now just go to the dimension. From this point to this point it has a dimension of 180 and this thickness is 12. Now we'll remove the unwanted edges by using a delete segments. Choose these delete segments. Delete this bottom edges and delete this one and this one. Now complete sketch is done. Just say OK. Go to extrude. Just rotate the object. Make it symmetric. The extrusion length is, here it has a radius of 60. Then total length is radius of 30. Total length is 60. Save OK. Now we have created this base feature. Now we'll go for the this feature. Select this back surface, sketch, sketch view, reference. I'm just taking these two, this circle as a reference, then close it. Now we'll make a circle here. This outside radius they have given, just go here. The radius is 20 and the center of the circle to the bottom is 88. Now put a line tangent to the bottom circle also. Just connect it somewhere. Similarly, you just connect it here and connect it here. Now both the circle make it tangent. Take this one. These two are tangent. Similarly, these two are tangent. Now create the sketch here also. Take a arc with the center ends, center point, this point as well as this point. Now remove the unwanted edges, delete segments. Now full sketch is done. Save OK. Extrude. Just rotate it. Change the direction. Now thickness is 12. Press the roller to confirm. Now we have created the base feature. Then we'll create the cylinder. For that, from the back side to 34 mm, choose the backside surface, sketch view, go to reference, take a circle as a reference, then close it, take a circle, just say OK, extrude, change the direction, untick, just unhide this, remove material. Now total length is 34. Just say OK. Then we need to create a rib. For creating a rib, take this midplane, sketch view. Then go to the reference, take these two edges as a reference, then these two edges as a reference. Then close it, take a line, put a line from here to here, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now just say OK, go to rib, profile rib. Here the thickness of this rib is 12 mm. Just put 12, say OK. Now we have created this rib also. All the material addition features are done. Now we'll go for the material removal feature. Just select the hole, place it in the surface, then press the Ctrl key and hold it and select the axis. Now the diameter of the circle is 24. Make it to next. Say OK. Then here we need to make a round. For that, just select this round, select the surface, press the Ctrl key and hold it and select the surface and select the surface. Similarly, just say OK. Similarly here, go to round, select the surface, press and hold the Ctrl key and select the surface and select the surface. Now we got the complete round and say OK. Now we'll make a hole here, select the surface, sketch view. Here you can see it has a diameter of 24 and 2 holes. Just take a reference, the circle, close, take a circle. Here the diameter is 24. Select the surface, mirror it here, just say OK. Extrude, change the direction to next, material removal, say OK. Now just wireframe, standard orientation, add all the planes. Now the complete model is done. So in this tutorial we have learned how to model this component using Creo Parametric. If you like this video, please share to your friends. In next tutorial we will see with another component. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.